I'm sure you have seen these kinds of posts or reels while scrolling on Instagram. Right now, this content is in huge hype, and creators who publish these kinds of animated landscape videos are getting views like never before. And you know what? Yeah, you're right. Those are really easy to make. And in this video, I will show you step by step how to create those videos. So, what about we just roll in? Okay, first we need to create a prompt for our images. So head back to that Instagram page we checked earlier, or feel free to pick any kind of page you like. Now pick one video you like most, or check the view count and pick the most viewed one. But don't click it. Wait. Stop rushing, bro. We will take a screenshot of it. Now when you have your screenshot downloaded in your computer, let's head up to the mastermind of all AI tools, ChatGPT. Upload your image in ChatGPT by pressing attachment button and write this prompt below. Next, you see how ChatGPT does the trick. Now we should ask it to create more similar prompts like that so we have more videos to create and upload to our Instagram theme page. Next, let's create images by using one nice AI image generator tool. In this video, let's try this new AI tool, Fotor. They happen to be a lovely sponsor of this video, so it would be kind of awkward for both of us if I would use some other tool. Also, their platform offers so many cool features that I can't even show you all of them. I leave you the link in description as I believe that it is better that you go check them all out by yourself. Okay, now we have two options to make our stunning video. Let's do AI image generation first. The other will come later. Just click the AI image generator at the front page. Now copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. You can add a negative prompt also, but in this case, I don't see it's necessary. Next, choose aspect ratio 9:16 and choose between 1 to 6 images, how many you like to create. One image costs 1 credit, so maybe 2 is fine now. Here you have a lot of different styles to choose from. If you select Fotor M1, you find some more regular styles like 3D cartoon and Japanese anime styles. Fotor M2 have higher quality images, so let's pick one from here. I think this digital art could work nicely for us. When you have done your adjustments, hit generate and let the AI do the work. In just a moment, we have 2 really stunning images to use. Nice job, AI. Next, we can either enhance the image or make it as video first and then enhance the video. You can find both options here in the same platform, which makes content creation easier and smoother. Now, as we use only one image, in this case, we can enhance the image now. Just click the left up corner and click AI Image Upscaler. It opens your image in a new tab. Now when it's upscaled, just download it. Okay, now let's make some animation to our image. Head up to AI Video Generator and choose From Image. Upload your upscaled image, choose your style or leave it as none. I will try anime. Then press generate. Now when the video is animated, our video is done, so let's click download. Yep. Some of you saw that it was made in 16:9 ratio. At this moment, there is no option to make 9:16 image to video. But I think it is coming really quick because it should be there already, right guys? Okay, really fast about the pricing, guys. The cheapest plan costs less than €3 a month, which is pretty much the same as one cheap cup of coffee. Not any Starbucks style, just regular coffee. And with all these tools, what you can get with that price, I would say it is really affordable. Also, you can use Fotor by your mobile with this new Fotor app, which is available both in Google Play Store and App Store. They also have free trial, so I really suggest you to go check this tool out. Before we go to finish our video, let's check this one really stunning tool from Fotor. Head up to the dashboard and find an AI baby generator. Like if I upload my photo here in father's side and my wife's photo here in mother's side. What? What you mean Margot Robbie is not my wife? Bro, this is my video in my AI world, so in this video, I will show you exactly how to make Margot Robbie to my wife and mother of my child. And look at our son. What a nice kid he is. Okay, I think I need to call my wife now, so let's just finish this video quickly. Yes, back on track. Now let's head up to the CapCut to finish our video. Upload your video into CapCut and drag it to the timeline. Here you can adjust it, put some filters, add some more movement, and other stuff if you like. I have quite many videos on my channel where I show you how to edit in CapCut, so if you're more into that, go check them out, please. Now we just add some copyright-free background music because Margot, wife is waiting. And boom, here it is. Ready, done, finish. When you have done your adjustments, just click export, download your video with highest possible quality, and you are ready to upload it on Instagram, why not TikTok and YouTube also. Now, If you want to make money with those posts on Instagram, go check out this video. Bye.